Hello future engineers, welcome back to Cutoff 360. In this video we'll be talking about MHT CET, VJTI Round 2 official cutoff rank. Also, we'll be doing a comparison with the Round 1 cutoff to understand the difference between the Round 1 cutoff versus the Round 2 cutoff rank. So first in the list we have Computer Science Engineering. So as you can see on the screen, for Round 2 the cutoff rank is 119 for G Open category, whereas in Round 1 the cutoff rank was 103. So there is a complete difference of almost 16 points in the between Round 1 to Round 2 cutoff. Same goes with the GOBC. So as you can see on screen, for Round 2 the cutoff rank was 667, whereas in Round 1 the cutoff rank was 4468. So if you are planning to appear in the Round 3 counseling, then you can understand the difference between the Round 1 and Round 2 cutoff and apply for the Round 3 counseling for the same. Next in the list we have Information Technology. So as you can see on screen, for Information Technology for G Open category the cutoff rank was 279 for Round 2, whereas in Round 1 the cutoff rank was 242. So clearly you can see that there is a very slight difference between Round 1 to Round 2 cutoff for G Open category. Same goes with the GOBC category. So in Round 2 the cutoff rank was 805, and in Round 1 the cutoff rank was 731. Next in the list we have Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering. So as you can see on screen, for G Open category for Round 2 the cutoff rank was 795, whereas for G Open Round 1 the cutoff rank was 742. So till now we have seen computer science and information technology. So in both the courses the cutoff, there is a very slight difference between the Round 1 and Round 2 cutoff. Same goes with the Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering. So for the future Round 3 counseling also you can expect a very slight change in the Round 3 cutoff. So you can plan the expected cutoff by checking the Round 1 and Round 2 cutoff in the video. So for GOBC category the cutoff rank was 979 for Round 2, whereas for Round 1 the cutoff rank was 1445. So clearly you guys can see that there is a drop in the cutoff for GOBC category, which very oftenly happens during the allotment or the cutoff for between Round 1 and Round 2. So further candidate can expect for Round 3 the cutoff can be expected between let's say 1000 to 1200 based on the Round 1 and Round 2 cutoff trend. Next in the list we have Electronics Engineering. So as you can see on screen, for Round 1 the cutoff rank was 1067 for for Round 2 for G Open category the cutoff rank was 1067, whereas for GOBC category the cutoff rank is 1669. Whereas if you compare it with the Round 1, then in Round 1 the cutoff rank was 932. Again there is a change in the cutoff, and the cutoff has increased almost to 135 135 points. And in GOBC category, whereas you can see in the GOBC category there is a very slight change between the Round 1 and Round 2 cutoff. Like in Round 1 the cutoff rank was 1765, whereas in Round 1 the cutoff rank is in Round 2 the cutoff rank is 1769. So there is a only 4-point difference between Round 1 and Round 2. So cutoff for Round 3 also is expected to remain in the same range. Moving ahead we have Electrical Engineering. So as you can see on screen, for G Open category the cutoff rank was 1623 for Round 2 counseling, whereas for Round 1 the cutoff rank was 1437. So there is a clear good change in the Round 1 to Round 2 cutoff for Electrical Engineering, whereas in GOBC category you can see again there is a very slight change between Round 1 and Round 2 cutoff. So in Round 2 the cutoff rank was 2339, whereas in Round 1 the cutoff rank was 2375. So in the past two courses we have observed that for GOBC category there is a very slight change happening, whereas in Open category we can see some good changes in terms of 100 points or 80 points or 70 points. Next, moving ahead, we have mechanical engineering. So for G-Open category, in round 2, the cutoff rank was 2103, whereas for round 1, the cutoff rank was 1864. So again, we can see a good changes, that too there is a good almost 200 point plus difference between round 1 and round 2 cutoff, whereas for GOBC category the cutoff rank is for round 1 2 it's 3329, whereas in GOBC round 1 the cutoff rank is 3254. So again there is a very slight change between round 1 and round 2 compared to G-Open category. In G-Open category the changes happened like more than 150 points or 150 rank, whereas in GOBC there is a very slight changes. So in round 3 also you can expect the cutoff to go below 3500 only, it will not exceed 3500. Next in the list we have production engineering. So as you can see on screen, for G-Open category the cutoff rank was 4859 for round 2 counseling, whereas in round 1 the cutoff rank was 4669. In for GOBC category in round 2 the cutoff rank was 6143, whereas in round 1 the cutoff rank was 6871. Moving ahead, we have civil engineering. So for round 2 the cutoff rank was 4030 for G-Open category, whereas in round 1 the cutoff rank was 5245 for round 1. So there is a drop in the cutoff between round 1 and round 2 for civil engineering, whereas for GOBC category again there is a drop compared to round 1 and round 2. So in round 2 the cutoff rank is 6114, whereas in round 1 the cutoff rank was 6294. So in round 3 counseling the cutoff can be expected between the same range. Next, moving ahead, we have textile engineering. So as you can see on screen, for G-Open category the cutoff rank is 8265 for round 2, whereas in round 1 the cutoff rank was 9368. So again there is a cutoff drop in textile engineering also in comparison between round 1 and round 2 counseling. Next, in for GOBC the cutoff rank was 12,158 for round 2 counseling, whereas in round 1 the cutoff rank was 13,227. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video and the data present in it, then make sure to like and subscribe the channel. Also, if you want us to create more comparison video between round 1 and round 2, then make sure to comment down the college name in the comment section. Our team will be replying for the same.